Okay, brothers and sisters, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Depend with the time zone where you're watching me from. This is Eriko Fundi from Kenya. And this is a moment again that I bring you this video from home, my home village in Kisumu. Welcome to my video. For those who haven't subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. This is Eriko Fundi from Kenya. Thank you so much for my returning subscribers. You are so marvelous. You are so wonderful to me. I can't make this video every day without you. Thank you so much. I'm bringing this video from home. This is my village home. This is my village. This is my cow shed. You see my cow shed. This is my cow shed where I rear some cows. Also, I have my sheep, the sheep shed. This house for sheep. I rear some sheep in this shed. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It's another evening. This is a fresh evening. You see how the environment is. In fact, it has rained so much this evening. It has rained so much. You see how there's water everywhere. You see there's water everywhere. It has really rained in this place, this side of Kenya. We are in western part of Kenya. It's called Kisumu County. This Kisumu County is a village called Migingo Village. This is my gate. You see my gate here. I have a gate here. It's a black gate. This is a very smart gate. It's a very smart gate. Also, I have my dog here. Hello. Also, I have my dog here. We normally chain the dog so that it doesn't roam about. We normally chain the dog so that it doesn't roam about. Hello, Simba. 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 We normally chain the dog so that it doesn't roam about. You have a small garden here. Hello. For those who haven't subscribed to my channel, this is Eriko Fundi from Kenya. So I also have the servant quarters. These servant quarters where my workers are staying. You see the servant quarters. See the servant quarters where my workers are staying. You see my compound is my compound. You see my tank is there. I have a small tank for keeping rainwater. Also, there's something I was doing here. We normally boil bones. Normally boil bones for our dog. If we boil it like this, then it can serve the dog for about 2 to 3 weeks. We boil it like this, then we put them inside the freezer. Then the dog will be eating. The dog will be fed every day, bit by bit, small by small. So this is about 10 kg bones. About 10 kg. Normally serve our dog because we only have one dog. Now it normally serve the dog for about 2 to 3 weeks. See how we keep our dog. I normally maintain this. When it's almost over, then my workers will let me know from Nairobi. Then they'll go to slaughter. We have our area slaughter at a place called Rabuor Market. That's where they normally get all these bones. You see how we boil them? You see how we boil the bones for our dog? I love this dog so much. I don't want my dog to sleep hungry. That's why I maintain the dog. I maintain it with some bones. You see, it has rained today until the wall of my house got damaged. You see how it was damaged by rain. So I'll have to do some repair. I'll have to do some repair work very soon because you see it has been damaged. It has been damaged by rain. It has really rained this side. So I'll do some repair very soon. I'll call a mason to do some repair on the floor which has been damaged by rain. You see, this is my place, this is my home. See my house. See, I have a small house here. Let me take you to the front side, behind side. Also, I'll put some. You see my fence here. You see my fence. See my fence here. See, I have a garden. I have a garden where I put. We grow some vegetables. See a garden where we grow some vegetables. So I came to this place. I normally come every month end to see the progress, how my home is. See, I have some masons here which have been working for me. So normally I visit them and see how they are doing, what they lack, how far they have reached with the building. You see my blocks there. I have some small blocks there. You see some blocks there. So we want to start constructing this house. You see this house here? Already they had started it, but due to rain, due to a lot of rain, they will hold the work for some times. See, I want to build a big building, a big house here. I want to construct a big house in this place. I want to construct a very big house in this place. Just waiting for rain to stop a little bit so that our construction can go on. So in the meantime, even bringing the materials for construction has become a major problem because the roads are not passable. The roads are very in bad shape. The canter cannot reach this place. So I had to wait for some times. I had to hold on for some time so that the construction can begin in earnest. So for those who haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Please subscribe to my channel. It's called Eriko Fundi from Kenya. This is Eriko Fundi from Kenya. You see, I also have a big tower here. A big water tower. This for this well, this borehole. This well here. You see the well? See the well? So there is a pump inside this well that pumps water direct to the tower. Direct to the tower, you see the tower? Direct to the tower. So from the tower it comes with gravity force going to the house. From the tank it will come with gravity now going to the taps where they used to we have a tap here. You see the tap? You see our tap here? Yeah. So this tap is connected with the pump up there from the tower. So the water will come with gravity force. See, it has water. See the water? See how the water is? It has got a lot of pressure. See how the water is? It has got lot of pressure. Lot of pressure. This water is from this tower. You see how it is coming from with force of gravity, and it's connected. The tower is connected with the well down there. See the piping? These are the piping that has gone. These are connected with the well. There's a pump inside the well. So this is my home village in Western Kenya. This is my home village. My home village in Western Kenya. Western part of Kenya. Have you seen it? I've seen my home village. So thank you. I don't want this video to go long. Just wanted to make a short video. So thank you so much for watching my video, for watching me at home. See, I need many subscribers. For those who haven't subscribed to my channel, I'm on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Please do so, subscribe to my channel. I have so many videos from home that I'm going to share with you. In fact, this is just the first one. So many videos which are going to show you. They are concerning my other project here is going on, and I'm going to show you from the next video how far we have reached with that project. So subscribe, please subscribe to my channel. It's called Eriko Fundi from Kenya. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Please subscribe, do so. Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, please. Subscribe. Press the like button. Share my channel. Share my videos so that it can reach many people, as many people as possible. Thank you so much. God bless you. See you in the next video.